How to access webmail in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to access webmail. You can either browse the URL webmail.yourdomain.com, where yourdomain.com is your domain name, or click the Mail tab. From here, you can access webmail for a specific email address by clicking the webmail icon on the far right. First, though, let's make sure we have the correct webmail application set up. Click Mail Settings. Select the domain you want to configure webmail for, then click Webmail. Select the webmail application you want to use, then click OK. Now we can proceed to access webmail. Clicking this icon will open the webmail application we just set. If you prefer, you can set up your account to work with an email client such as Outlook, Thunderbird, or MacMail. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to access webmail through Plesk.